Fall in love with this completely remodeled home backing to Lake Oswego Golf Club on a quiet cul-de-sac in the sought-after Sunny Hill neighborhood. It's ideally located, nestled in the trees, backing to the golf club's 15th hole and near fantastic Lake Oswego schools. This feng shui-friendly home features an open floor plan with abundant natural light and soaring high ceilings. The gourmet kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a designer-style backsplash, and a contemporary undermount sink. Enjoy custom light fixtures throughout and beautiful engineered hardwood floors. You'll find a convenient bedroom and full bath on the main level. Heading upstairs, unwind in the spacious master suite with a cozy fireplace and a spa-inspired bath with a skylight, elegant tiled shower, double vanity, and a freestanding tub. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has plenty of space with almost 2,900 square feet. Entertain or just relax in the fully fenced yard, or head next door to practice your swing at the golf club. It also includes a 3-car garage, central AC, and all appliances are included. A captivating home in a fantastic location. It's all here on Clara Court, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.